So I'm not exactly sure, but I'm pretty sure these are Carolina parakeets who used to come down to Florida and hang out. And I used to see them on the west side sometime over there by the Sirius, and they were like, nigga, you ain't seen no parrots. I was like, but did I Wikipedia'd it and Googled it, and they were Carolina parakeets. And I think that these are what they are. And they used to be very common in Florida, but they're very emotional. So if you kill one, you can kill all the rest because they're gonna sit around and mourn the death of the other ones. But these look like Carolina parakeets to me. Normally on the west side. Beautiful babies, right? Hey, who are we? The wild ones. Peace. Yeah, them look like